A brilliant yoga-inspired technique that you can use to help you feel calm, and it's said to also increase your cognitive function, is something called Ragdoll. So simply put your feet hip distance apart, bend your knees and fold forward from your hips, catching your elbows with the opposite hand. Release your head, nod it yes, shake it no, and place the weight into the balls of the feet. And let gravity really do its thing and just let yourself hang forward. Stay here for about 30 seconds, remembering to breathe. After 30 seconds or so, when you want to come up, release your hands and roll up vertebra by vertebra and roll your shoulders down your back.